Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia and today I'm doing a little bit of a different type of video today. I'm gonna do more of like a vlog style to where I kind of just show you like my life as a 41-year-old stay-at-home mom. At the moment, I am currently looking for a job. So while I'm still working on my little small Etsy shop that I do have, which I will link down in the description box below, but just kind of want to show you guys what I go through in the day. And yeah, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, do you like these vlog type videos or what? Yeah, we'll start with what I'm doing right now. I just woke up not that long ago. Well, actually, it's been a while, but I took my son to school. So he's 12 and I took him to school and came back home. And now I need to start getting dressed, brushing my hair and all the other, hygiene stuff, right? And then I'm going to, I've already taken the sheets off the bed, which I'm going to change the sheets. And then I'm going to just tidy up around the house. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, now I go ahead and take my washcloth. And I just use warm water and wipe my face. At night, I started washing my face with black soap. So that does my face very good. And just want to okay. Now I just y'all probably can't see much in this lighting, and then the upload, when I upload it, it just doesn't look great, but I am working on that too. So okay, I'm going to make the bed. So I'm going to post y'all up right here somewhere. I am going to wash our comforter, so I'm just going to leave the sheets on the bed. Wash the comforter. Okay, now I'm going to change into my clothes and I will see you guys right after this. And here we go. I forgot to show you guys what I used to put on my face, which I'm about to do now before I get dressed. So I use this organic jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and some geranium. I don't know if you can see that, but okay. I'm going to put this on my face and then I'm going to get dressed for the day and I will see you guys. Hey guys, so I got dressed and I'm just wearing a simple thermal long sleeve, some sweatpants, and I got some house shoes on. So, I mean, nothing spectacular. And I did make the bed some more. So, yeah. What else are we gonna do? I have to put the clothes in the laundry. That's what I'm gonna do. And some dishes. I'm gonna wash some dishes. Also have to record a quick little clearance clothing haul that I found from Walmart. I also want to do that so I can actually do that real quick. No, I'm gonna put the clothes in the laundry first in the washer. The blanket and stuff like that. I'm gonna put that in the wash, and then I'm gonna do the clothing try on haul. And I'm going to have to put you guys down while I carry all this stuff downstairs. Put it on whites. And when the washing machine fills up, I stop it and I add more water. And I'm also going to add vinegar to my washing machine, pretty much. It's just, I think, more of a natural way to keep your clothes and your linens fresh by using vinegar. So we are going to go upstairs and I got to record that clothing haul. All right, you guys. Okay, so I have my nails done. I just popped on this one. The brand is Kiss. Hold on. And it's in Young Love. I don't think y'all can see it. What's the matter? It's fluffy. There he goes. Would you bring the bean bag? What? You want to play? What? Fluffy. He wants to play with the bean bag. Uh-oh. So yeah, that's his beanbag, and I think I'm gonna try to record the Walmart clothing haul now. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, I'm going to start cleaning up this mess that I had from recording the clearance haul from Walmart. So I'm going to clean all this stuff up. Snack break. These are really, really good. I like the cranberries. So almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, cranberries, raisins, blueberries. So yep, taking me a snack break. You're so silly. Uncomfortable. Okay guys, so these are the clothes that I got from Walmart, and what I'm just going to do, put them in the wash, and I'm going to recycle these tags. So I will be having, you know, that in my stash. And then this is a tote bag that I got from Books A Million. It says read more, worry less. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I like the print. It's funny too, because I was at Walmart and a girl, she was like, I like your tote bag. I'm like, thanks. So, and it just holds my crocheting stuff. So I'm currently crocheting a black and white little bag. It's just gonna be a crossbody like this. So all I gotta do is go like make the straps. So that's all I gotta do, and then I'll be finished with it. No, I'm actually going to put a liner on the inside, so then I'll be finished. But I'm so happy about it because I'm loving the black and white granny square. And yeah, let me know what you guys think on this. Okay, you guys, I'm going to vacuum my room, and then I gotta pick up my son from school, so we are gonna go do that. And it will probably be the end of the vlog for the day. And then I might do like a nighttime vlog if this is the type of content that you guys like seeing, then I can do more of these videos. Just giving the room a spray down. Okay, so we are still just waiting on the comforter for the bed, but pretty much we are cleaned and cozy. Just the little book area and just all types of books. I have to change out the flower. Some pictures. Just more books, more books. I have like my oils, my lotion, books, book cart. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video because I'm ending this day vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was, you know, realistic, because that was pretty much realistic of my day. It is here and there and it's popping all over the place because I know we did a lot today, and I gotta go pick up my son from school. So I will see you guys. Bye guys.